We've been on a journey together. We started with 5 hidden signs. We decoded your DEXA scan. Now you know what your T-score actually means. We uncovered daily habits undermining your bones. We mapped out the bone remodeling cycle, the minerals that fuel it, and the exact exercises that send the stay strong signal. Today, I want to connect all those dots into one comprehensive protocol. It's called the Bone Density Solution, and it's designed to do exactly what we've been discussing. Support your bone remodeling cycle through targeted nutrition and lifestyle strategies. As a gentle reminder, this is educational, not medical advice. Your doctor knows your full health picture best. I know exactly how you feel. You've bought the supplements, you've followed the advice, but nothing stuck because you didn't have the system. That scattered feeling? I hear it every single day. All right, let's talk about the real challenge. Here's the challenge, and I want you to know, if you felt this, you're not alone. There's no shortage of information about bone health. Calcium, vitamin D, exercise, magnesium, K2. You've probably Googled every single one. Maybe you've bought the supplements. Maybe you're taking calcium in the morning and magnesium at night because someone on Facebook said so. But here's what I hear from women every single day. I know what I'm supposed to do, I just don't know how to put it all together. What order, what timing, what actually works together, and what might be canceling each other out. That's not a knowledge problem. That's a system problem. And scattered information, no matter how good, doesn't create change. Systems create change. This is exactly why the Bone Density Solution was created. A 14-step protocol that sequences everything we've been discussing into one clear, followable path. Module 1, Steps 1 through 4, the foundation, understanding your bone remodeling cycle, identifying hidden calcium thieves in your diet, and the pH balance connection to bone density. Module 2, Steps 5 through 8, the nutritional protocol, specific foods, combinations, and timing designed to maximize calcium absorption and support osteoblast activity. Module 3, Steps 9 through 11, the lifestyle integration. Movement protocols, stress management because cortisol directly affects bone density, and sleep optimization for nocturnal bone remodeling. Module 4, Steps 12 through 14, the long game. How to sustain results, how to adjust as you age, and how to work with your doctor using informed questions. This isn't a magic pill. It's a nutritional protocol based on the science we've been discussing for the last 10 videos. It works with your body's natural remodeling cycle, not against it. This is for you if you've been diagnosed and feel lost. You want to be proactive before a diagnosis. You want a system, not scattered tips. This is probably not for you. If you're looking for a quick fix, you're not willing to make dietary changes, you're looking for medical treatment advice. But don't just take my word for it. Let me show you what happened when real women put this protocol into practice. In my very next video, I'm sharing real stories from women who followed this protocol, their challenges, their surprises, and what happened when they put this system into practice. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. This is the conversation your doctor didn't have time for.